Links can be initiated when an event, tag, or pop-up tag is activated, or when an event button is deactivated. The activation link icon is located on the left of a button, and the link line drawn from this icon will be green. The deactivation link icon is located on the right of an event button, and the link line drawn from this icon will be blue. To establish a link, highlight the source button, then click on the relevant link icon depending on whether the link is to be initiated by an activation or deactivation of the source button. Drag the link line to the target button, and when the link line reaches the target button, from the drop-down menu, select the action which the link is to perform at the target button.